So today we will be continuing the Art of Giving series, and I will be making a dotted painting or drawing gift. For this project, you can use markers, paint, crayons, colored pencils, pens, or any other supply that will create dots. I'm personally going to use markers. I will also be using this dotted art handout, which you can find for free on the Artsphere blog. I'll link it down below. And with this handout, although it may not show up very well on camera, the outlines are very light, and it is a picture of the world map with the words "We are all connected," because I think that it is quite important to emphasize that, especially now. But if you want to create your own design, I would recommend using a pencil and lightly sketching a design, using a permanent art supply such as marker or pens, and then erasing your pencil marks later. I've decided that I will be using all of the colors of the rainbow while I do this piece. And all it is creating little dots. They can overlap if you would like. They could be the same shape and size. They could be different shapes and sizes. They can be as close together or as spread out as you would like. I thought this would be a good project because I think dots especially, or little lines, would be a great way to express and represent that we are all connected. And that can be especially hard to remember during this time. So this is a bit of a reminder that we're all human, and that if we work together, we can make something really great. And that's similar to the dotted painting or drawing, because if you look closely, they're all just small dots and it doesn't really look like much. It may not feel very connected or relevant, but together as like a larger piece, it becomes something beautiful. Darker and closer together the dots are, the more easily you'll be able to tell the shapes. Can feel quite relaxing to do this once you get into it more. There are different types of dot art as well. There are lots of videos online that have dot art which seem to be colors, especially with paint and Q-tips, and they're just little dots being made into patterns and shapes. There's also an art called Pointillism, which is a painting technique where small and colorful dots are applied in patterns, and these form an image. They can be lines or like little brush strokes as well, but these form an image. And one of the most famous painters, who's known for his pointillism work, is Vincent van Gogh, with paintings such as Starry Night. There's another type of drawing technique called stippling, and this technique, mostly done in pen, it is where you create dots, and those are the only things that make the light and dark values. So if you wanted a portion of the drawing to be darker, you would draw the dots closer together and you would draw more of them. Whereas if you wanted the dots to be lighter, or if you wanted that area of the drawing to be lighter, you would draw less dots and you would draw them further apart. Stippling can also be quite relaxing, but it is very time consuming. Go back into where I was at the beginning, just because I want to make that part a little bit better. Okay, nice work everyone, and thank you. Hopefully we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.